Hello guys, welcome to another new video. Do you know? How does AI influence the field of psychology and therapy? Artificial intelligence. AI significantly influences the field of psychology by revolutionizing clinical practice, data collection, and mental health care. AI technologies aid mental health professionals in decision-making based on patient data. In psychology, AI plays a crucial role in creating intelligent systems that mimic human cognitive processes, such as learning and memory, to achieve artificial general intelligence, AGI. Two major roles can be most effective for the influence of AI in psychology and therapy. The impact of AI on psychology. New artificial intelligence tools will change the way psychologists deliver care and assess patient needs. New technologies will raise questions of data privacy, security, and transparency. Psychological development and deployment. As a science of human behavior, psychological science has a lot to do with ensuring that new AI tools are ethical, fair, well-researched, and effective. Finally, AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. In recent years, AI has been used in psychology to assist in diagnosis, treatment, and research. Overall, AI has revolutionized the field of psychology, tackling the question of its role in emotive, cognitive, and social psychology. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Keep in touch with us for more videos.